Sometimes you meet someone and you just instantly like them, and that was the case with this guy named Bheki. So his story is fascinating. At 16 years of age, he started his own business doing walking tours. 16, doing walking tours around Johannesburg. He was just passionate about sharing, the stories with tourists so they could learn about his city. And now he owns multiple businesses, very successful. But he was the guy that everyone said, you've got to meet Bheki. He'll show you around the sights of Johannesburg. So here we are, hanging out with Bheki.
Hey Sam.
Bheki.
How's it, brother?
Great to see you.
Welcome to Jersey.
It's very rare that I meet someone who's cooler looking than me. You've outdone me.
Jersey is the local nickname. We call it Johannesburg. Some people call it Johannesburg.
Jersey.
And it lives up to its spirit.
Yeah, and
Can you smell that food?
I can smell it. It's hard to know where to stop.
I'll take you to the best local shisanyama. You love some meat?
What's shisanyama? Even they're laughing at me. Come on, guys. It's my first day in South Africa.
Let's go through here.
You feel the love tonight. Chicken all day, chicken all night. National hot, buffalo crazy hot.
Like sweaty. Like, leave my mother out of this. Poor Loretta. She's just in Adelaide. Now they're talking about her in South Africa. I'm going to try the really hot one. He wasn't playing.
Some water.
Don't need to get Botox now.
In the late 80s and 90s, it went through such a major...
I'm listening, so it's just that I'm still recovering from the heat of the chicken.
Riding's a big part of Joburg life.
It's become a lifestyle here. That's how you navigate through the city.
And you just look really cool while you're doing it. I noticed you didn't opt for a helmet.
I thought I'd give you one because I'm still introducing you to the city,
You don't strike me as a guy who wears a lot of Lycra. You've probably heard of Mark Beretta, how he wears Lycra 3 to 4 hours longer than he needs to. Yeah, I'm glad it's made it to Africa. It's a real problem back home.
Welcome to the tallest urban building in Africa.
Cheers. What is the local version of that?
I hope you're local by now, which surely you are. Ngaba.
Ngaba. I'm not sure I nailed it. Just do it one more time. Ngaba. Yeah, that felt pretty good the second time. Oh, what a guy Bheki was. I mean, he's probably still telling everyone in South Africa about this really cool guy he met from Australia. You're welcome, mate. Hasn't followed me back on Instagram yet, but that's okay. What a pleasure it was to go to the Four Ways Farmers Markets. I would recommend it in Joburg. Well, what a legend he was. How good is Bheki?
Yeah, what a bromance you established there.
It sort of felt like he was laughing at you, not with you. Did you Tony maybe a couple of times?
Hey, I'll take a laugh any way I can get it, Nat. You know that.
Oh, this is going to be a good week. Thank you very much, Dad.